The poor management of the Tejas supply chain has become an additional problem for Hindustan Aeronautics, as the company is now facing issues with the first two assembled FOC-configured fighters. The delivery to the Indian Air Force has been put on hold, due to some quality-related issues and few teething issues with the new FOC-configured Tejas Mark I. These teething issues are expected, as the FOC variant has different on-board equipments than the 16 IOC configured Tejas Mark I, but the quality-related issues is mostly due to the shortage of manpower in the micro, small and medium enterprises. Hindustan Aeronautics has enough components to assemble 5 more Tejas Mark I fighter jets, but the company still needs to find alternative vendors, if the existing vendors are not able to resume supply of components. The current situation makes it difficult for Hindustan Aeronautics to deliver 8 FOC aircraft for this financial year, and the delivery is expected to remain on hold until these issues are completely resolved. The Indian Army is now looking to finalize the long-pending deal to procure the CAR-816 carbines for immediate operational requirements, which is manufactured by a UAE firm Coracle International, which was also declared the L1 bidder in September 2018. The Defence Acquisition Council will now decide on the fast-track procurement of 93,895 new carbines in its meeting this week, out of the Army's total requirement of around 3.5 lakh carbines, that was supposed to be under the Buy and Make Indian category. The DRDO has announced that it has successfully developed the P7 heavy drop system, which is capable of paradropping military equipments. It is capable of paradropping around 7-ton weight class from an IL-76 aircraft. It consists of a platform and specialized multi-stage parachute system. This system is 100% indigenous and has now been inducted by the Indian Army, and 146 systems will be manufactured by Larsen & Toubro for around 180 crore rupees. While most of Chinese helicopters don't have the capability to effectively operate at high altitudes because of underpowered engines, while India's light combat helicopter will be highly effective at high altitudes and rugged conditions. However, the light combat helicopter has taken way too long to enter operational service, and has indirectly affected its export opportunities, as interested countries are always careful about the long-term export availability of the platform. Experts have said that it is high time that the government involves the private sector to speed up designing, developing and manufacturing of such crucial platforms. Mahindra Defence System has developed a m-ine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle, and this heavy-duty vehicle will now be used by United Nations peacekeeping forces in their operations, which has been completely designed, developed and produced in India, and is now fully open for export to other countries. Pakistan has inducted the first Yarmouk-class corvette, which is the first of the two 2,300-ton corvettes ordered from Damen shipyards of Netherlands in 2017. The corvette's form factor is derived from Damen's OPV 1900 design, and it can attain a top speed of about 22 knots with a standard range of 6,000 miles, and it can accommodate a crew complement of 138 and one medium helicopter. The Airports Authority of India has entered into a Memorandum of Understanding with Bharat Electronics Limited, and this partnership between the two organizations would prove to be a game-changer in the Indian aviation sector. The local manufacturing of communication, navigation and surveillance equipment will reduce the cost substantially, and will reduce the outflow of foreign exchange.